We will just create a new company here, but with the option selecting accounts with inventory. See, company name we are giving ABC Garments. We will just maintain the details related to garments shop. How we can get the stock summary and all the different vouchers related to inventory. See here, just keep the option now accounts with inventory. Financial year. First we have created the company. The next step is we will create some of the ledgers. See here, you will get a new column inventory values are affected, which was not displaying at the time of accounts only option. Now we require the effect of this ledger, that is shirts purchase, in inventory also. So just keep to yes. So we have created the ledgers related to purchase account and sales account. Why inventory is required? Inventory means the stock of raw materials, finished goods in our business. In Tally, along with other accounting information, we can also keep information on how much goods were received by us and what prices, and how much goods were dispatched at what prices, and such other information. Tally helps us make many reports regarding inventory, which are very useful for the business. Tally asks us all this information about inventory at the time of voucher entry only. You will find that inventory is an important part of study of Tally. So first, at the time of company creation, just activate the accounts with inventory option. Then create some of the purchase and sales ledgers. Now the next step we have to see is inventory info. See here, a new option has been displayed under gateway of Tally. Just press enter. You will get 3 to 4 options here: stock groups, stock items, units of measure, and voucher types. Why we have to use stock groups? Just as we select a group for each ledger account while creating ledger accounts, similarly we can select a stock group for each stock item while creating stock items. However, selecting a group for ledger accounts is mandatory, but selecting stock group for each stock item is not compulsory. Tally gives some predefined groups for ledger accounts, but stock groups are not, however, predefined. Generally, if we need a collective summary of some specific types of stock items, we can create a collective group of those specific stock items. See, as we are working in a garments company, so stock groups can be create. Suppose gents garments, we are creating a group here under primary. Can quantities of items be added? If we want to know the quantity of total gents garments by collecting quantities of stocks items together under the group gents garments, we should type yes. If we do not require such an amount of total quantity, we should type no. In fact, the concept of total quantity of gents garments is meaningless here, so let us type no here. Same way, ladies garments. Fine, we have created two groups, that is stock groups. To come out from that, press escape. Now we will create units of measure. While studying inventory, unit of measure is unavoidable issue because any stock item has to be measured in some specific units. For example, liquids will be measured in liters, solids will be measured in kg, or item numbers or pieces, and so on. We have to create a specific unit of measure for whatever type of goods that we stock in our company. So just press enter on units of measure, press enter again on create. You will get a unit creation screen. We have to specify the symbol for the new unit we are creating against the option symbol. For example, unit of kilogram, we can use kg. For liters, we use liter, etc. So we are working in a business of selling garments. For garments, we shall use the unit pieces. See here, PCS. Formal name is complete name, you can specify here, pieces. The option number of decimal points. We will have to put only O0 against this option because garments cannot be measured in fractions. So just press O, accept, yes, fine. So in this way you can create different types of units. For garments we are just keeping pieces. Press escape to come out from here. Press escape. Now the third step is stock items. We are just saying about the inventory masters before entering the vouchers. First we have created stock groups, then units of measure. Now what about the stock items? Just press enter. You will find here single stock item and multiple. Press enter on create. See here, there are 4 to 5 columns. First one is name. Here type the name of a stock item. Example, shirts. Allies. Here type any nickname for the stock item if any. Right now we are keeping is blank. Under, here select the group under which you want the stock item being created to be put. Example, gents garments or ladies garments. See here, we have already created these groups under stock groups. We are selecting gents garments. Units. Here select the unit of measurement used to be measure the stock as pieces. Now how to set the standard rates if the rates of purchase sales of goods we intend to purchase or sell are standard or steady for a long time, we can type yes here and press enter. But to activate this rate standards, we have to move to F12. See here, all these settings, some of the settings are set to no and some of them are set to yes. If your box of stock item creation does not show the option set standard rates or other options, press F12, bring up the configuration settings on the screen. In this box, press yes against the option allow advanced entries in masters. See here, allow advanced entries in masters. Yes, all standard rates for stock items. Now press, after making yes, combination key Ctrl A, save settings and quit. So just press Ctrl A to save the settings. Fine. So rate of duty and VAT can be set here. Opening balance of a stock, you can enter in this box the quantity which you are going to start with. So we are typing here just 10, rate suppose 250. Fine. In this way you can create the stock book for each and every item. Now t-shirts, suppose jackets, so we have seen how to create the stock items. So here we have completed the inventory info masters. Now we can see the details about the voucher entries. See here, if you move to accounting vouchers, we will just cover the accounts with inventory part first, then inventory vouchers we will see one by one. Accounting vouchers, just we will set the settings to debit and credit. Press F12, use single entry mode to N, press Ctrl A to save the settings. See here, now accounting vouchers is ready to work in debit and credit format. So at the time of payment or receipt, if you are purchasing or selling your goods in cash, suppose we are purchasing the goods, payment, or selling the goods cash, so F6, just select one of the item, suppose shirt sales. See, a new box is in front of you related to inventory. Just select shirts. In stock we are having 10 pieces. Enter the issue quantity. This is our purchasing rate. Change the rate as per the requirement and just select cash here. Being items purchased in cash. So you can notice here, along with the amount you are getting a quantity information, that is shirts 5 pieces 300 amount. See here, rate is 300, the amount is total 1500. Accept yes. In the same way, if you purchase the items, press F5. This is our cash system. Once again select any of the item. Suppose t-shirts purchase. Once again t-shirts. First time we are selecting for accounting information and second time for inventory information. T-shirts. These heads we have created in stock item. Already we are having a 50 piece. Suppose 10 piece we are purchasing more by same rate. Press enter. Once again select cash and save the voucher. Press enter to save it. So we have just seen how to enter the vouchers along with inventory in a cash system. In next video we will cover the credit purchase, credit sale and inventory of vouchers.